Hello everyone, welcome to Fadia Crochets. I'm here today with this crochet all keychain tutorial. I have just used two basic stitches, half double crochet stitch for the base and double crochet stitch for the eyes and the beak. So let's start the tutorial. For making the crochet owl keychain, I will be needing these three colors. I'm using a 5-ply yarn and a keychain, 3mm hook, a scissor and these eyes. I will start by making a magic ring. Twist the yarn across your fingers, hold it at the cross point, remove the yarn from the fingers, insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up the yarn and chain 2. I am working with half double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook inside the magic ring, yarn over, bring up the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, bring up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is half double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, bring up the yarn over, pull through all 3. I will make 12 half double crochets. I have already made 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and last one 12. Now pull this yarn and close the magic ring. You can just cut the extra yarn. Turn around and make a slip stitch into the first chain. Pull through and make a slip stitch. Now chain 2. I will make increase in all the stitches. So 2 half double crochet in each stitch. 2, 3 and 4, 2 stitches at a time. 5 and 6 in the same chain. 7, 8, 9, 10. I will complete this round and meet you at the end. I must have 24 half double crochets by the end of this round. I have completed my 24 stitches, 24 half double crochets. Now I will make a slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 2. For round 3 I will make 1 half double crochet, 1 increase. So first chain will be just 1 half double crochet. Next chain is an increase. So I will make 2 half double crochet in the next chain. 2. Next chain again 1 half double crochet and next chain increase, 2 half double crochets. Again 1 half double crochet, next chain increase. So I will follow this pattern, 1 half double crochet, 1 increase. Complete this round and I will meet you here. I'm done with the third round. I have made a total of 36 half double crochets by making 1 half double crochet, 1 increase, 1 half double crochet, 1 increase. Now make a slip stitch and chain 2. This is the final round. I will not make any increases. I will just make one half double crochet in each chain, so that will be 36 half double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me complete this round. I will meet you at the end of the round. I'm done with the 4th row and I have 36 half double crochets. Make a slip stitch over here. Chain 1. I have already made one more piece with the same stitches. Now I will join both of them together. This is the outer side and this is the outer side, so keep it like this, the wrong sides facing each other. Now hold it like this. I will join it by making slip stitch. Go into the first chain over here and go through both the loops. Slip stitch. Now go into the next chain of the back circle, yarn over, bring the yarn and slip stitch. So I'm only making slip stitches over here. If you want, you can make single crochet, that's totally up to you. I will add some stuffing. Now continue and close it till here. This is the final stitch. I will make a slip stitch and chain 1, cut the yarn. I will just weave in the end, make a magic ring, pull up the yarn and chain 2. Now make 12 double crochets in the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook inside the ring, pull up the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, bring up the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this was 3rd double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. Now pull the yarn, close the magic ring, insert the hook in the first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Also pull this and close the magic ring completely and cut the extra yarn. Now for making the beak, it's very simple. I will make a slip knot and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over and go in the first chain and make 3 double crochets into the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. We'll just cut the extra ends. I will attach these pieces with the help of hot glue and I will show you the final result. So this is the final result and the crochet owl keychain is ready. It was very quick and simple tutorial. Give me your feedback in the comment section and don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. So see you again in the next tutorial. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.